I'm Angie Barley, the Assistant to the Superintendent for Curriculum Instruction at Cocalico School District. We chose Refreshing Mountain for our field trip based on the fact that it is very close by, it's an accessible facility, and there's something here for everyone. Our students love the activities. We chose from a variety of high excitement ones, from the zip line to the elevated obstacle course to the climbing. We wanted to make sure that there was something there for everybody. It's a very safe environment, which was important for a school group. We wanted to make sure that we were looking at how many people were going to be here and who was going to be here. The staff was also very supportive of the diverse needs of our group. We bring all of our students out, so that includes students with special needs, and they made accommodations for individuals who had vision impairments, who had hearing impairments. If you're exploring field trip options, I would definitely say give Refreshing Mountain a call. They will take the time to walk through and sit down with you and look at what's available. And that's important because you want to make it a memorable experience and something that your group can do, and they'll tailor that to your needs.